Record screen in Windows 11. How to screen record on Windows. Now the most easiest way to screen record on Windows is by simply using its inbuilt tool known as Game Bar. Now what you can do is simply press the Windows and G button on your keyboard simultaneously and you'll find this particular option. Here you can simply choose to take a capture or whatever else like. So you can take a screenshot of this if you want to, or you can use some of the controller bar options right here. Now the most easiest way to directly start recording is to simply press Windows, Alt and R. So Windows Alt plus R combination on your particular keyboard will automatically record the screen for you. So let's say you're on a certain page right here, right? And you can see the screen recording has already begun. So Windows Alt and R button will already start the screen recording on your computer, which you can simply stop it as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.